Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone.
Today we will be discussing how to stop your YouTube TV recordings. Are you tired of YouTube TV recording shows you don't want? Or perhaps you're just trying to manage your DVR space more effectively?
Well, you've come to the right place.
In this video, we'll walk you through several methods to stop YouTube TV from recording specific programs and series. We'll cover everything from managing individual recordings to adjusting your library settings. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.
Now, let's get started.
First, let's talk about stopping individual recordings that are already scheduled. 1. Accessing your library *. The first step is to navigate to your YouTube TV library. You can do this by opening the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile device. Or if you're on a computer, just head to the YouTube TV website. Once you're in the app or on the website, look for the Library tab. It's usually located at the bottom or side navigation bar, depending on your device. Click or tap on it. 2. Finding scheduled recordings * in your library, you'll see different categories like shows, movies, and sports. You'll also see a scheduled section. This is where you can find everything that's currently set to record on your YouTube TV. Click on Scheduled. 3. Canceling a recording * now. Browse through the scheduled recordings until you find the show or event you want to stop recording. Click on it. This will bring up the show's information page. Look for a checkmark icon next to the show's title, usually with the text recording or added to library. To stop the recording, simply click this checkmark. 4. Confirmation and options *. After clicking the checkmark, a pop-up menu might appear asking you to confirm your decision. It might also give you options like Stop Recording All or Stop Recording This Episode. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you only want to stop recording future episodes, select Stop Recording All. If you just want to stop recording a specific episode, choose Stop Recording This Episode. Next, let's cover how to stop recording entire series. This is especially useful if you added a show to your library and no longer want to record any new episodes. 1. Go to the show's page * again. Start by going to your library and finding the show you want to stop recording. Click on the show's tile to go to its dedicated page. 2. Removing from library * on the show's page, you'll see that same checkmark icon. Click on it. This time, it should say something like Added to Library or Recording. Clicking it will remove the show from your library and stop all future recordings of that series. 3. Confirmation * as before, you might see a confirmation prompt. Confirm your decision to remove the show from your library. Now a quick tip, sometimes, YouTube TV might suggest shows to record based on your viewing history. While you can't completely disable these suggestions, you can influence them by removing shows you don't want to watch from your watch history and library. And that's it. You now know how to stop YouTube TV recordings, both for individual episodes and entire series. Hopefully, this helps you better manage your DVR space and your viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or any other tech issues you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.